Have you ever wondered how Eid is celebrated in different parts of the world? Muslims around the globe express gratitude for the blessed month of Ramadan that has just concluded. The morning prayers are a symbol of renewal, a chance to embrace the day with a purified heart and soul. This sense of unity is further amplified during Eid al-Fitr when the morning prayers transition into a special prayer service known as the Salat al-Eid. The Salat al-Eid is a unique prayer service that takes place only twice a year, during Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. It's a time of heightened spiritual connection, but also a time of communal celebration. Muslims gather in mosques or in open spaces called Eidgahs to perform this prayer. The Imam leads the congregation in prayer. The air is filled with a sense of unity and solidarity. This is not just a gathering of individuals, but a community coming together to celebrate their faith and shared values. It's a poignant reminder of the essence of Eid al-Fitr, a festival that celebrates not just the end of Ramadan, but the of unity, love, and brotherhood that is at the heart of Islam. Following the morning prayers, Muslims engage in an important act of charity known as Zakat al-Fitr, an obligatory donation for those able to give. It's typically given as staple food items or their cash equivalent to ensure the less fortunate can enjoy Eid. This act not only purifies those who fasted but also strengthens the sense of responsibility and community within Islam. It's a beautiful representation of caring, love, and respect, emphasizing the importance of sharing blessings during festive times. Through Zakat al-Fitr, Muslims express gratitude and ensure inclusivity in Eid celebrations, embodying the spirit of compassion and unity. Now comes the highlight of Eid al-Fitr, the feast, a culmination of a day filled with prayers, charity, and socializing. This gastronomic delight is an enchanting tableau of flavors and aromas, celebrating diversity and unity through food. Across the globe, each region adds its unique twist to the spread. For instance, in Somalia, the feast is marked by the savory Somali pilaf, known as barias iskakaris, a hearty blend of rice and spices served with meat and vegetables. In Oman, the succulent shua, slow-cooked lamb marinated in spices, is a signature dish. Sweet lovers in the Middle East rejoice with baklava, a pastry filled with nuts and syrup. Beyond the food, the feast brings families and communities together, sharing laughter, stories, and joy around a shared table. It symbolizes unity and strength, reminding us of the joy of togetherness even in adversity. And with that, the day-long celebration of Eid al-Fitr ends, leaving behind memories of unity, joy, and delicious food. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Ziltire Pro for more insightful videos.